This is giving Housewife now. I'm a fan. This is cute. I feel grown. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we are back with another video. So in today's video, we are doing this super cute, grown, sexy housewife hair sponsored by UNice. If you want the details for this unit and how I achieved this look, stick around. But before you go, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. See you on a few.
Best friend, be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never find myself.
Okay, so like I said earlier, today we're working with UNice. I'm excited because this is a pre-everything. Like when I say pre-everything, a pre-everything wig, okay? Pretty sure it's pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-baby haired, pre all of that. So this is gonna be nice, quick, and easy. And can we please get into this packaging? Like they always get it right. And I like having these because I can use these as little wig bags when I'm traveling. So they have some goodies for us. And we're gonna get into those before we talk about the wig. Of course, they gave us some wig caps, some super cute press-ons. Look at those, those are really cute. And of course, a UNice wig band. So we are working with a 7x5 closure, bye-bye knots lace wig. Ooh, I didn't even remember, but it is pre-curled. Look at all of the work that's already done for you when you get this wig. This is gorgeous. And then the lace is already pre-cut. As you can see, lace is pre-cut, hairline is pre-plucked. We have a pre-part right there, like literally pre-everything. I'm excited to put this on. Of course, they gave me like a little wig band for the back, just in case we wanted to wear this glueless. All right, that is on, good to go. So really quickly, I'm just going to tint my lace and then we can go ahead and put the wig on. Wig cap on. I'm just gonna use the residual makeup on the brush just to tint this wig cap a little bit. Let's do it. And just like that, she's on. All right, so this is it so far. No work done. I think that's pretty nice, honestly, for like nothing done to it. I want to brush these curls out a little bit. I don't like when the curls look too perfect. Okay, I decided I want to glue her down. Let's do that. It's right on top. Go ahead and add some wax. We're gonna work on getting everything nice and flat first of all. Honestly, when the wig is nice and flat, I can think better. That hump that be right there, too distracting. I can't think if I don't get rid of it. I'm literally just going to hot comb. Jesus. I'm gonna hot comb all this hair back. See that? Much better. Same thing on this side. So I've got that hot combed back. I'm gonna go down the sides. And then I'm gonna bring it forward. And honestly, I think, at least for my face, I need some layers. So we're gonna do that now as well. Same thing on this side. Yeah, I think we needed some volume. Okay, let's take off our wig band. Of course, we're gonna add some more lace tint. Of course. And I like to just comb it back and then let it fall forward. Okay, and I think I want to go a little bit shorter on the length. Same thing on this side. The same length? Close enough. I feel like this is giving Housewife now. This is definitely giving housewife hair, and I'm not mad at it. A little volume, but not too much. I'm a fan. This is cute. I feel grown. Okay. And then when we push it to the back, this is sultry. I like how the curls just bounce right back up because we gave ourselves some layering right there. Like, this is so cute. I'm in love. I'm in love. This is so adorable. Well, I would say we're about done. So huge shout out to UNice for sponsoring this install. Regardless of any type of sponsoring or whatever, I'm always gonna give y'all a 100% honest review. And personally speaking, this wig did give me a little bit of trouble at first just because I couldn't quite figure out what I wanted to do with it. The way the curls came didn't immediately fit my face shape or anything. So I did have to do a little bit of layering and a little bit of styling, but that's literally what wigs are for. And I'm happy I went in the direction that I did. It's giving grown sexy. It's giving I have my own home, honey, okay? Like, I absolutely love the quality of the hair. I absolutely love the layers that I added to it. The color, perfect. Density, perfect. I love the pre-plucked hairline and the pre-cut lace because that made everything else go super, super quick. The cap fits really well. Yeah, I would give her a solid 9 out of 10, for sure. If y'all want the details to this unit, make sure you go ahead and check down below in the bio. Everything will be there for you. Before I go, I wanted to say thank you for 10,000 subscribers. Like, that is so crazy. I literally started my YouTube channel probably like a year and a half ago, and I did not in my wildest dreams think that I would reach 10K this quickly. Like, I'm shocked. I'm proud of myself. I'm happy. I'm thankful to y'all, but I'm shocked. Like, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all the support that I've gotten this past year and a half, and it's only going up from here, okay? Period. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. And if you already have, again, thank you so much. Y'all, we hit 10K. We hit 10K. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. It's your girl, Mina. Have a good day.
That from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself.